guys, and welcome back. We're here now, 26 Jan, Republic Day Drive. This year there wasn't any major big events, but there's a little private event going on here at the Taj Lands End. So here we are, top down, bunch of convertibles here, so it's gonna be fun. Here we are, my buddy Persis is E30.
Hi man, how are you?
M Sport from factory, manual transmission. So clean. Let's check out the outside real quick. So clean. We'll get more shots of this later. Got the event set up here, all the kids, the marching bands. About to go have some breakfast right now. Beautiful event like always, Percy hooking it up. Got all the kids from all the high schools and schools with the marching bands and stuff. Looks so cool. Let's go inside. Got the breakfast set up here too. All the guys getting ready for the drive. We're on the way now. Got the rally starters, got Akash with us. Royal in the back doing royal things. We got a sick lineup, check it out. Of course, I have to show my pride with the flag. guys. So we just finished up the drive, just had lunch. You already know who that is. And if you're watching, please like the video and make sure you comment and subscribe, obviously. Any words? So yeah, see you guys.
The guy was sick.
He didn't even show up. Alright guys.